How to use the Mood Jar widget in Widgetable to share your vibe. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Widgetable on your device. Here, simply scroll down in the home page and you will find Mood Jar. Simply click on Mood Jar. Now you will find different moods in here. Select the mood you want to add to your Mood Jar. You can also select what best describes this feeling, select one of the reason, and what's the biggest impact if you want to write. If not, press on done at the bottom. After you do that, your mood jar will be updated. Now, you can also click on the box-like icon at the top right, and then click on the plus sign. Press on Save at the bottom after selecting a friend. Now you'll find Add to Home Screen. Simply hold on to the widget and add in your home screen. And the mood jar will be updated. If your friend updates, you will also find your own mood jar. And this is how to use the Mood Jar widget in Widgetable to share your vibe. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.